What's the meaning of amusement? Amusement. 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 Amusement.
Amusement refers to the state of being entertained or amused, typically through enjoyable activities, such as games, sports, or performances. It is a form of leisure that provides a temporary escape from the routine of daily life and creates a sense of relaxation. The result of amusement is generally positive and can include feelings of happiness, joy, and satisfaction. It can also promote social bonding and provide an opportunity for individuals to learn new things or develop skills. Overall, amusement is an important aspect of human experience that contributes to our overall well-being and enjoyment of life.